In the vibrant heart of Kingston, Jamaica, one evening as the sun dipped below the horizon, Mr. Hugh, a curious scientist and lifelong resident, stood on his porch gazing at the bustling streets. Suddenly, a strange shimmer caught his eye. Out of the darkness, a flash of movement erupted just beyond the town square. To his amazement, he saw a fleet of majestic racehorses galloping through the streets, their manes shimmering with stardust. The horses bore names that seemed to echo Jamaica's history and spirit: Golding, Bruce, Portia, Sam Sharp, Paul Bogle, P.J. Patterson, Michael Manley, and Edward Seaga, each representing a chapter of the island's rise, resilience, and progress. Golding, sleek and swift, led the pack, its hooves pounding the cobblestones as if racing against time itself. Bruce followed, strong and steady, embodying resilience. Portia's mane sparkled like the Caribbean Sea, while Sam Sharp and Paul Bogle, the heroes of emancipation, ran side by side, symbolizing freedom's relentless pursuit. Mr. Hughes' scientist's mind raced to understand what he saw. Were these horses real or some cosmic manifestation? Suddenly, he realized that these spectral steeds weren't merely horses. They were echoes of Jamaica's soul, summoned by a mysterious energy pulsing through the island. As the horses sprinted past his home, their hooves left traces of glowing light, and the air shimmered with the power of history and hope. P.J. Patterson and Michael Manley, representing political change, galloped with purpose, their shadows blending into the night sky. Edward Seaga, with a commanding presence, kept pace, reminding Mr. Hugh that progress is a race of endurance. There's a future shaped by resilience, courage, and unity. With a newfound sense of wonder and purpose, Mr. Hugh watched the dawn break over Kingston, knowing that the spirit of these legendary horses would forever race in the heart of the island.